Thank you for taking a few minutes to learn more about our solutions. We have created a self-authoring platform, eAuthor1, that can significantly impact your organization. The platform allows us to create micro-simulated educational experiences. Within a virtual simulation, your learners can apply knowledge and demonstrate their confidence level by making decisions, performing actions, and interacting with objects. Here is a brief overview of our software as a service application. You can create e-assessments, e-modules, and simulations to be viewed on VR devices. For now, let's focus on our authoring tools and click on here. This is the list of saved simulations I've been working on. Let's select this demo simulation by clicking here. It took me less than 2 minutes to create it. I used a sim wizard for this. You simply follow these 6 steps and you have a complete simulation in no time. You start by naming your simulation. In this case, I named it Demo. Step 2 allows you to set up an introduction to the simulation. Give some pre-training and case study for your learner. Step 3 sets up the environment of your simulation. Currently, we have a substantial healthcare-related library of rooms and patients to choose from. For this simulation, my patient is an elderly Caucasian male. You can also upload a custom image. For instance, you took a picture on your phone and want this room in the simulation. No problem, it could be easily done in the wizard. Step 4 allows you to choose the objects in the room to interact with. Step 5 sets up these object interactions. Lastly, Step 6 will help you create an assessment and ask your learners some questions. I've already set up Steps 4, 5, and 6. In the right bottom corner, we have a preview window. Let's maximize it to preview the simulation. Here's the introduction, learning objectives, and case summary from Step 2. Let's click Next. Here is the introductory video, which I'll skip. And just like that, within a couple of clicks there is our room and patient. Let's talk to the patient and choose high confidence for this decision. This is correct. Now, let's turn off the monitor with the high confidence level. That's incorrect. Okay. Let's check the vitals and still keep our confidence high. This is correct. Now that we've completed the interactions, we can see a debrief report. It shows us how much time it took us to take the simulation and how much time we spent on each interaction. There are also 4 quadrants that you can see. The learner is placed in one of them based on their answers in accordance with the Dunning-Kruger effect. Let's close this report. On your screen, you can see the assessment question I set up in Step 6. Let's answer yes with high confidence. We can now click Next to proceed. Here is the debrief report for the assessment with 4 quadrants. When I close this window, we will see the final score for the simulation. It looks like we've passed. You can set your own passing score. In this case, it was set at 70% and we scored 75. There are so many more incredible features. Sim Wizard is the beginning, but you can build more sophisticated simulations in our Pro mode. Alright, back to the platform interface. Let's talk more about the analytics side. We store significant data that we gather related to the simulations. Here's an example of what to expect. Once you select your simulation and its publish type, the platform will populate the data. You will know how many users took your simulation and what they scored. You will also see their placement in quadrants we discussed earlier. Let's scroll the page down. We also monitor the average score and confidence levels against the number of attempts. You will know the frequencies of your learners' knowledge scores, knowledge confidence scores, knowledge application scores, and knowledge application confidence scores. Notice that data on knowledge and knowledge application will be broken down per each question. I know it's a lot to take in. But, again, it is just a preview of our easy-to-use self-authoring platform. If you like this summary but want to learn more, please reach out for a detailed overview with our team. We look forward to sharing more features with you. Take care.